All right, we're here at Canaan Valley Resort, and I'm about to go through one of my favorite runs here. So let's see if I can do it without falling. We're going through the woods. Here we go. All right, so far so good. This is the green trail. It's a long green trail. And there's this section. And then whenever there's some snow, it's just really cool back here. I think it's just a unique experience. And so yeah, I'll just keep going on it. Sometimes you have to give yourself a little push. Here we go. Woo! Oh, we almost fell. But we're still up. Hey. Oh, still up. Woo. Yeah. Nice. Oh, I'm down hot. Woo. So much fun. That is amazing. Look at the trees right here. So cool. About to go in again. Here we go. Oh. All right. Danger about coming out on these trails. You don't know exactly when to kind of get out of them, but got out of it there. Bailed out. But man, going through the woods, something about that adrenaline. It's a lot of fun. Back on the main trail. And hey, if you still want to be on the main trail, can't complain. This is a beautiful trail. Look at the trees right now. About to go off a jump right now. I meant to do a 180, but I did not. We'll do it here. This is what I meant to do. There we go. Alright, gotta dip in the woods again. Are you ready? Here we go. Woo. Alright, well that was the trail. Thank you so much for watching.